Okay guys, I'm here with Director of Education. Is that sunk in yet? Like, I like the sound of that.
It's still a little weird for me too.
I like that. Karen Haneke. Ha! Nailed it. Yes, pun intended. We are going to swatch our 5 new glitters. It was supposed to be 4. I accidentally threw one in by accident. My mistake.
Okay with it.
Happy mistakes. And we're gonna swatch them out for you because they are launching this Black Friday. I don't know when this video is launched, but happy whatever day this is. I don't want to hold you guys in suspense, so we're just gonna get right to it. But we're gonna play a little game with Karen. No, because I don't think you know the names.
I don't. I haven't.
Okay. So we're gonna start easy. I'm gonna say a name, and you're gonna guess. You like my little hold it. I have to put these in the color order that it's in my head. It has to flow exactly, and so there. I like
Perfect. That's how I
and if don't want to be in trouble by Jorge, so we're just gonna. Okay, we're not gonna get. Okay, walking away.
let it go.
So we're gonna start easy with you. What color is white belt?
I mean, unless you're throwing me for a loop here, I'm gonna go with that one.
Yes.
Okay.
So nailed it.
1 out of 1
Again. Yes, white belt, which I think, why don't, you know what, before I say what I think it is or what you think it is, why don't we go ahead and just like get the finish gel out? Let's do some sugar in. Let's pour some sugar on it. Get the white out. And by the way, guys, we're totally weaning this. Like, Karen's like, how are we doing this? I'm like, I have no idea.
I just showed up.
We're just gonna just do it.
So yeah, we're just using the Ultimate Finish Top Coat. I love using this one for sugaring.
It's the
because
best.
this one, it doesn't have any top or any sticky residue to worry about wiping off.
Yeah, and it's got that like a little thicker viscosity, which really grabs and holds, which is amazing. Oh, you are so sweet.
Look, there's not much in here.
I know, because I've been using it.
Preserve it just in case she sends
I
this
have
home
like
with me.
big bags of it. You can have.
Oh, well, that's nice.
I'm like, I just pour, but
I just like the look of the sprinkle.
that is true. It is kind of
So
relaxing.
It's like snow falling.
Exactly. I kind of wanted to name it like Let It Snow or something like that, but I was told that was corny and a no. And then they came up with white belt, and that's way better, I have to admit.
I'm from Minnesota. I like the snow. Alrighty.
Love this. It's an iridescent white, which it still has, because a lot of iridescents, they don't have much of a white background to it. It's just pretty just see-through.
Yeah.
Where this has that snow.
I think this is going to be absolutely gorgeous for winter. It's going to be great for doing sweater nails.
Oh.
I've seen a lot of people doing snowflakes with that sugar technique. That is going to be gorgeous for that.
See, my mind went a light ombre. Like, would be, maybe even mix it with core white.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that would be really pretty.
Mm.
Well, giving her, have you done your design videos yet? Doggone it.
I may or may not.
We're giving her ideas, people.
No.
So I'm going to just set this up. And while we're setting that up off camera, let's go with work wife.
Work wife. Maybe you should tell me all the rest of the names, then I can. No, okay.
Where's the fun in that?
All right, work wife.
This is my cheap entertainment for the day.
Wife. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna go with the purple.
Close.
Ah, that was. I knew
Close.
it. I knew it.
Close.
Okay.
This is work wife, which again, love the name. I think it's great. I cannot turn a light off. Apparently, this is not part of my wheelhouse today. I love this. It's like this teal. Let's jewel. It's just like
that's beautiful. I feel like there's a lot of different dimension to it too. It's not just a really fine glitter. It's not a chunky glitter. It's got a little bit of both. It's got a little teal, a little green to it.
Oh, you pretty much nailed all the colors. Then there is a little of a very light green in there too to give that sparkle, which I'm a little obsessed about.
That is fantastic. Okay, I feel very oceany with this color. Very beachy.
Yeah, see, I was thinking ornaments. I don't know why.
Well, Christmas is coming, but
I guess that's why I'm like all about the jewel
maybe we all need
tones.
vacations at the beach somewhere. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking.
Ornaments on the beach. I like it. That would be perfect.
Do you want to sprinkle? You want to do the honors?
No, thank you. I won't trust myself today. I've had like 27 cups of coffee. It would be all over you before it got on the tip.
I mean, that's not a bad thing.
But what you said is so true about this. It's got the teal, it's got the green tones, it's got that small and micro, which is just really going to give you that ultimate bling. Again, stunning jewel tone, right on trend with colors. Yeah.
I'm actually even seeing just on the paper towel all of the different sizes in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the funny part is I had to do what you just did because I mixed it and then promptly forgot what I put in it. So I was like spreading it on the table trying to find.
This is why I tell my clients, you're never going to get the same glitter twice if it's something I have to mix because I forget what I put in it. So I'm never going to remember.
Yeah. I'll eyeball it. It'll be in the range, but that's it. Okay.
All right.
Next. Crypto.
Crypto, I'm going with the green. I feel like there's crypto, cash, green money. Dang it! Can we go back to that first one? I was gonna say,
you were doing so good. Crypto, yeah, I get what you're saying there. Green money, I like that. That would have been really good for this. This is kind of like mixed metals. So like crypto and like coin. You got the coinage.
Okay, so you got the coin. Okay, I'm going more for cash rather than coins.
Not that I named it. I don't know why they named it that. That's just in my mind why it's named that. I know I've said I'm obsessed with all the colors. I think this is one of my favorites though.
I could see that with you, yeah.
Because it has that mix of metals, silver, gold, bling, that it's going to go with anything and everything that you desire. So yeah, I'm really happy with
yeah, there's a little iridescence to it, so I think, you know, whatever color you were to wear it with, it's going to kind of reflect a little bit.
Totally blend with any of these colors. Oh my gosh. Some colors just melt into the gel so well, and that is absolutely one of them. But I also feel, because it's got those mixed metals, that it will pretty much, because sometimes gold doesn't really go with everybody's skin tone. It's like,
I think that's going to go
with a lot of skin tones. Yeah.
And that I like that one because it's just that really fine glitter. Really,
a little micro going on. Okay, you're down to 2. You got a 50-50 chance on this. Right. So, just because the name is hilarious to me, pie hole.
I don't want to even know where that one came from.
Not me. It wasn't me.
I'm gonna shut my pie hole on
okay.
That one. Oh geez, pie hole.
The names. I'm sorry. When I opened up the email and it said pie hole, I almost lost it.
I'm just thinking, shut your pie hole or shut your pie hole. We'll try the green one again.
Oh man. Oh,
I just can't win.
50-50. You cannot win. It is this one.
All right.
Yes.
Well,
so
I guess I'll win on the last one.
Yeah, you're in 100. Well, if you don't, we're going to be in a lot of trouble. Unless I try to make you name it. That could be fun. I don't know.
I need a couple of cocktails before I come up with a name.
I still couldn't. I always thought it would be like fun to really like name things, and then I'm like, I don't know, red, gold. Like I would be not creative. So
well, I always thought everybody just went out to the bar and whatever came up, that's what they named it. So
that would be a lot of trouble if it was at the bar with me.
I'm sure. Ooh.
Yeah.
See, okay, so now I'm kind of mixing that up, and at first I saw just purple, but now that I'm really mixing it up, I think some of that kind of like a lighter pink kind of settled to the bottom. So make sure you give them a good mix and good stir.
That actually is really highly recommended. When you have a mix of micro and a heavier glitter, you want to give yourself a good shake before you open. Just
that is gorgeous. And this one has a little bit, you know, of the bigger and the smaller and a little more dimension there. Oh my gosh.
A little pink, a little purple, a little red tone, a little gold tone. Again, I just think it will go so good, first of all, with any of these colors, and second, with anybody's skin tone. And again, right on trend. These colors are very hot this year. If we did a collection that was untrendy, just for fun. Like everybody's wearing this color of.
We're gonna do something totally opposite with it.
Yeah, okay. Why follow the crowd?
You know what? We're gonna change the trend then, and everybody's gonna follow us.
Untrendy is trendy.
Our own trend.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
This
I might get this one.
color, if you choose the right one, is the story of my life today, and it is called Stress Ball.
Stress ball.
Yes, this is Stress Ball. I relate to this one so much.
I think a lot of us can. Yeah.
So with this collection, we really tried to not go so literal holiday, but I think finding a good holiday green is kind of a hard thing.
Yes.
And something that's not, hey, a evergreen threw up on my nails and this is what I'm wearing and I can't wait to get it off, which happens a lot with greens. This kind of has that mix of like emerald green, chartreuse, a little teal tone to it, to kind of make it extend past just Christmas.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I think that's going to be a great holiday green. I mean, because like you said, you don't want necessarily that green.
Yeah.
You don't want, you know.
Yeah, everybody, I love it when people come in and they're like, no, but I want green, or the customer that hates red and they insist on wearing, and you're like, Sally, you want this off in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Why are we doing this every year? But something that can extend wear before and wear after, I think is great. But I don't know, man. I think this year we really kind of killed it with the colors. Again, 5 instead of 4, which, you know, ask for forgiveness later. But a good blend, because these colors will go with everything. And this is something we actually did. And for those people who are like, well, what, you know, it's going to come in a kit. 5 glitters, but it's not just 5 glitters, as you know.
Absolutely.
The possibilities beyond that is insane. We did this on screen the other day. I'll just do it in here. Literally, Habib is curious, as we know. And he wanted to know, like, well, what if you mixed all of them? And it's like, oh, let me tell you, like, it's beautiful. So don't just think 5 glitters, and we talk about this sometimes. I think you and I have talked about it, is if you're a new nail tech, it is not required of you to go get 300 glitters.
No,
because
absolutely not.
Even a kit of 12 will go so far. Let's do a little shaking.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty already.
Right?
You know, I was kind of thinking, okay, that purple and the green, because to me, purple and green don't necessarily mix. And I think back to back when I first started doing nails, I mixed a pink and a green glitter together and it just didn't look right.
Okay.
So I have that fear, but this...
Yeah, it's like Barney gone bad.
Yeah.
No, but check that out.
Gosh, that is absolutely
the
gorgeous.
Possibilities of mixing 2 of these together, 3 of these together, all of them together to bring everything, tie it all in, is really like,
it's just jewels. It just all the different jewels in there. Oh my gosh.
And just to let you guys know, this is limited, so once it's gone, it be gone.
Stock up now.
So, ooh, yeah, I think I need that. Karen?
I know I need that.
Are you taking these home? Maybe. We'll fill them up for you. We'll fill them up. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this collection as much as we did. We didn't actually name the collection, though our Twitch community did name it Debt Collection? Yes, Debt Collection. So it is...
Sounds about right.
Called Debt Collection here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, we have White Belt, we have Work Wife, we have Crypto, we have Pie Hole, and we have Stress Ball. I hope you guys are having no stress in your life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy them.